Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Tamus.live. Tamus.live is a new junk and very deceptive site. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This Tamus.live tries to make people think that their computer is infected with 5 viruses. But these pop-ups may also come up in other locations, but in every case they actually tell that the PC is infected with 5 viruses. And it cannot be true. It cannot be true that the various computers are infected with the same number of viruses. So all these pop-ups by Tamus.live are fake and deceptive, and you should not trust them. Don't ever install anything that these pop-ups suggest. By the way, they try to actually make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So don't interact with these pop-ups. I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it through this official website, and then start researching and investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.